Hey guys, this is Dalton Quigley with Quigley's Landscaping, the Nashville Landscaping YouTube channel, and the group Creative Projects, Plants, and Organic Landscaping. And yes, I'm talking to all you people in the group. Awesome. Well, I want to show you guys a tip that I learned recently. I got some beautiful heirloom tomatoes and I harvested the seeds out of them. I took those little seeds, I planted them, and take a look at how things are coming along. First, I started off with putting them in this little seed starter container. Then once they grew a little bit bigger, I moved them into 4-inch pots. Once they got a little bit bigger from there, I have moved them out to my my beds where I grow herbs and tomatoes and sage and whatnot, and I put them here. So there's some in the back. If you see that row, those are Cherokee purple, or they're Cherokee purple heirloom tomatoes. And I've got a bunch in 1 gallon containers because I had to thin that area out. Too many had started in one spot. Let's take a look over here. These are some yellow heirloom tomatoes. And then over here I have some others that I actually wasn't patient enough to wait for those others to come in. So I went ahead and bought some tomatoes that were already started. So great. Thank you for watching one of my videos. Remember, you can go and buy your very own heirloom tomatoes. As long as they haven't been too cold, you can harvest the seeds out of them and you can get your own heirloom tomato plants going. So hope to talk to you guys soon. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below in the comments area. And if you don't know about the group, we have a Facebook group called Creative Projects, Plants, and Organic Landscaping. I'd love to see you in there and see what you're up to in the garden and the landscape and any projects you're doing. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell so that you can get notified whenever I make a new video. Have a great week and see you soon. Bye.